I'm Patti here at the Sheridan County Fulmer Public Library, here to share another great story with you. This one's called Birdwatch. What might you find when you go outside? By Christie Matheson. There are treasures hiding in the trees and on the ground and in the air. If you go outside and look carefully, you just might find them. And here's a birding checklist. And I know we have some of these birds here where we live. On a beautiful morning, you just might find 10 black-capped chickadees perching in the trees. They are your first treasure. Do you see them all? I see a few. So when you check this book out, you'll have to study it and find them all. As the chickadees fly away, you just might find 9 bluebirds landing nearby. Their feathers look mostly blue, but some have orange feathers too. So there's one there, there's one here. If you look closely, you just might find 8 sparrows hiding near the ground. Make a wish and whoosh, blow on the dandelions. There's one hiding there. There's one there. It's a seed fest when you blow the dandelions. As a few raindrops fall, you just might find 7 wrens singing. Try to spy their stripy tails. There's one there. I see a few others that you'll, like I say, if you check this book out, you can really study it. While the wrens take cover, you just might find 6 robins looking for worms. Aha! One has a worm in her beak already. Oh, she's way up there. When the blue sky returns, you just might find 5 sunny yellow warblers. Well, there's one. Could there be more? Turn the page and you just might find, don't see the one in here, oh, there, right there. Another warbler. Now there are 2, but where are the other 3? I see one there. While you wait for more warblers, you just might find a bee, a spider, a red ladybug, a delicate dragonfly, and a slimy banana slug. Okay, there's the slug, and the butterfly, or the bee, I mean, and the butterfly. I don't know if that's the dragonfly there. As the slug slinks along, you just might find 4 doves cooing. Count them quietly so you don't scare them away. Near the brightest flowers, you just might find 3 hummingbirds hovering. They are searching for nectar to sip. There's one there. And they're really small birds, so you have to be real quiet when you find them. While the hummingbirds snack, mice scurry about. How many can you see? Uh-oh, you just might find 2 hawks eyeing those mice. I think there's a mouse there. And then there's a couple of hawks in that tree. The hawks are soaring away. Can you see the hummingbird who zipped up to tease them? She is tiny, and the hawks just found that she is very brave. She's right there. When the sky grows darker, you just might find one more beautiful bird. Who could it be? Turn the page to see. I see some eyes right in that tree. That's who, and that's the owl. Most of the birds are sleeping now, though the owl may be up all night. But if you look again in the morning, you just might find the treasure you've been waiting for. And at the end of this story is all information about the birds in this book and about birding. So if you enjoy birds, here's Bird Watch.